everyone, I am Shreya and you all are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a quick and easy recipe of Rava Dosa at home. This dosa comes out to be very thin and very crispy. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. So what are we waiting for? Let's see how to prepare this perfect breakfast recipe at your home. I hope you all liked the recipe. Do try this recipe and enjoy the crispy bite of Rava Dosa. I will be back soon with a new recipe. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.